So let's erase the stubborn permanent ink. So all we have to do is we're going to use whiteboard marker, and let's draw a line on top of the permanent ink, and let's see if it erases slowly.
It can't erase.
But
Maybe.
Let's see. Look, let's make more.
Scribble.
Yeah, let's scribble on top.
Yeah.
See? Look. Wow! Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Look. Look, Samsung.
Hmm.
Look, one more. Scribble.
Scribble.
Scribble on top.
Scribble on
over.
top.
Yes.
Scribble on top.
See?
See.
But it won't take off.
Can I do it?
Yeah, okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Can I try that one? That's my iPhone. I like
Okay. What are you doing?
that. I'm taking off the
Permanent ink marker?
yeah.
Do you think it will erase?
Yeah.
Scribble.
Yeah. Scribble.
So this is one way to erase the permanent ink marker on your whiteboard. If you have
Yeah.
whiteboard marker, use.
I have a whiteboard.
Okay, can you
But
erase
I have
it?
a small whiteboard.
Okay, can you erase it?
Wait. Slowly move. I will need to finish this. Slowly move.
Okay, try to erase it now. Let's see what happens.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Isn't it magic?
Yeah. Try again.
Try again. I can hear it. Oh, you're drawing something. See, it's almost gone. Let's try here, Samsung. Let's try here.
Let's try here first because it cannot be really poop.
Okay, but it's almost gone. I really have to keep the permanent marker.
Why?
Because when they get it, they can just draw something over the whiteboard marker. And it's so stubborn.
They still stubborn?
No, I mean the ink.
The ink. Hours.
Okay, see, it's almost gone.
Uh-oh. Boop, boop. Boop.
All right, let's try here.
Yeah.
Do you like what you're doing?
Yeah.
Why?
It can't be moved yet. Uh-oh.
You have to try more.
It can't. Oh.
All right. Wow. So that's the secret.